Surya Namaskara has become very popular throughout the world. What are the salient features of Surya Namaskar? Always avoid fast movements. This helps in reducing the weight or increasing the weight. Perfecting Surya Namaskar, there are 3 points. First point is perfection in every posture. Second point is synchronization of breathing. Third point is the right type of movement from the previous to the next step. In the whole Namaskara system constitutes 8 different postures. Occupy the base position. The legs are placed together, hands beside the body. The most important is the forehead should touch the ground. Now we shall begin the practice of Bhujangasana. Breathing in, raise the head and head alone. Breathing out, put the forehead on the ground. Catch the hands at the back. Keep the chin on the ground. Breathing in, raise the chest and the shoulders. Breathing out, chin on the ground and the shoulders also. Repeat it. This helps to improve the back muscles and also the dorsal region of the vertebral column. No change. Hands tied at the back. Raise the chest. Breathing in. Now maintain the whole posture static. Only continue breathing, normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Normally 9 times, but do it as much as you can. Relax. Come to Makarasana and relax. Hands are placed, especially the palms, on both sides of the chest. Fingers pointing forward. Chin on the ground. Now raise the body till the hip joint. Now stomach is raised. This is again static. Hands normally do not become straight unless they are short. Continue the posture static until you complete 9 breathings. Now the whole body is raised above the ground, including the knee joint. The entire legs are kept parallel to the ground, hands vertical to the ground, looking at the zenith. Maintain this posture static. And forehead is placed on the back of the palm. Legs are kept apart, say about 2 feet, and both feet flat on the ground. This is Makarasana, a most popular relaxing posture. lift alternate legs. Breathing in, raise the leg without bending the knee. Breathing out, lower the leg. No bending at the knee. Repeat it. This is called Ardha Shalabhasana. Bend forward, catching your legs at a comfortable distance. Put the head down. Maintain the posture, breathing in and out. Make yourself very, very comfortable. That is very important. After few breathings, bend a little more, very little. Again, repeat the breathing. Now, little you go forward until you reach the final where you touch the forehead on the knee. Raise the hands toward the sky, vertical. Look up, breathing in. Breathing out, bend forward until you reach the final. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out. Repeat it preferably 9 times or as much any time as possible. Completing 9 rounds, stand still. Keep the legs apart. Now stretch your arms to the shoulder level. Breathe in initially, then breathing out, turn to the left. Breathing in, return to the original position. Breathing out, turn to the right. Like this, you are continuing 9 rounds. That is the preparation for Surya Namaskar. Now the whole body is very flexible to take up any postures in Surya Namaskar very, very comfortably. Part by part, we practice to the perfection and then club all the parts to make complete Surya Namaskar. Let us see the parts. Namaskarasana. Breathing in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Push your hip forward, yes. Namaskarasana. Breathe in, Namaskara Urdhva. Breathe out, Namaskar. Hastapadasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue this 9 rounds. The next part is 3 and 4. Yes, from 3, stretch the leg, left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out, Hastapada. Change the leg now, alternate legs. Breathe in, Ekapada. Breathe out, Hastapada. Ekapada. Hastapada. Ekapada, breathe in. The knee should touch the ground. Hastapada. Legs become straight. Ekapada. Hastapada. Now 4 and 5. Ekapada, position number 4. Parvata 5. Ekapada 4. Breathe in. Parvata, breathe out 5. Ekapada. Parvata. Ekapada, breathe in. Parvata, breathe out. This is Parvatasana, mountain pose. Now, Shadanga, breathe in. Sashtanga, breathe out. Bhujanga, breathe in. Parvata, breathe out. Shadanga, breathe in. Sashtanga, breathe out. Bhujanga, breathe in. Parvata, breathe out. This is going to be repeated 9 rounds. Then the reverse. Ekapad, Hastapad, Urdhva, Namaskar. Now let us see complete Surya Namaskar. Legs together, folded hands, chanting of mantra. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tattvam Pushanna Pavrunu Satyadharmaya Drishtaye. Om Hram Mitraya Namaha. Position number 1. Position number 2, breathe in. 3, breathe out. 4, breathe in. 5, breathe out. 6, breathe in. 7, breathe out. 8, breathe in. 9, breathe out. 10, breathe in. 11, breathe out. 12, breathe in. 1, back to position. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Now saluting Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 3 rounds standing in the position. This is Surya Namaskar, sun salutation.